Why? I want to record, bro. So, hello. Hey! Hello guys, today we're going to be playing with my bro. Hey, let me get that. Hey! Bruh, what in the world is going on? You just come back here. You ugly. Hey! Guys, don't mind why am I keep losing cause I don't know how to play basketball. Hey! Bruh. Hey. No. I wanna be this one.
No.
By the way, I can just hear you. Why are you shaking your character? Bruh. Blah. Let me get the bow. Bro. Let me get that. I know why you don't want me to have the ball. Cause I know you don't want me to be red. Cause when we spawn as red, you get to have the ball. And which makes me win. Hey, come back here. Guys, by the way, I've been playing this when I was 5, but now I don't play it. But I play it now again. Give me that. Guys, so by the way, it's your first time, guys, seeing my brother in my video. Bro, come back here. Oh, I'm gonna guard that. Ooh. Bruh! I didn't get to reach it. Give me the ball. Give me the ball to win. What in the... Give me the ball. Why? Yes, sir. Oops. Dunk. No! Get that thing. Kuya, let me be this, please.
No.
No, let me be that. I said, let me be that. Yeah. Hey. Thank you very much for that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What in the world? How did that happen? Oh. Eh? Oh. Hey! Oi! Oi!
Can you do that?
No, let me have it! I said let me have it!
Shoot it.
No, I ain't shooting it! No, I ain't shooting it. Oh, I know. You're just following me to steal the ball! I knew it. Get this ball. Yes! Yay. Oh, never mind. Come back here, Mo. Let me get the ball. Oh. Hurry. gonna push me. Nah, nah, boo. I know you're gonna see that ugly. Bro! You're serious? I'm gonna step on you in real life. Guys, did you think I wasn't gonna step on him? I actually did. Bruh! How'd you do that?
Okay, wala papabalik ko nila. Hindi lang siya ng lessons.
Kuya!
Babalik ko, kauwi ko na ako. Babalik ko.
Oh!
Pero hindi ko rin masyadong sila.
Bro? I'm gonna step on you again. Haha.
Pag ikaw yung tinapakan ko to,
Oh. Bro? Uy!
Ako sila nagpapadali.
Are you serious? Kuya! I wanna be this. I'm gonna step on you. I wanna be this. I am going to the other side. Thank Lord. Ow!
Parang puti lang, hindi naman check. Kailangan pa talaga.
Whoop! Oh!
Uy! Ay, hinigilig ka pa.
Ouch. Yes, sir. Yes, boo. Bro. Bruh. Uy. Bruh. What was it? Uy! Yes, sir. Yes.
ano?
I want to be this one
Eh,
again.
panalo ako eh.
No, I want to be this one again. Oh! Hey.
Dito ka pa? Dito ka?
Hey!
Hindi ba nakakuha yung booking ng pinuntahan ko?
Ah.
Yung booking ng ginagamit ko.
Saan ba nakakakuha ng container?
Booking ng ginagamit doon. yung
Wala
mga-
kay pinatay eh.
Hindi naman namin alam kung saan eh.
Ano?
Meron dyan yung grill ba sa ilalim?
Uy!
Mahanap mo kapag
Bro.
Talo. Mahina. Sweet cry baby.
Hey! Uy! Bra!
Lol. Ang matalo. Cry baby.
Hoy! I'm not cry basketball.
Uy, wag ka dyan, wag ka dyan, wag ka dyan, wag ka dyan.
Saan? Ikaw nga nakaupo dyan. Lol.
Ano?
Oo, oo.
Ano?
Hindi. Ikaw talaga. Boy!
Gosh.
Stiga ugly zero. Cause of your ugly hand.
Ano na, maglaro ka na.
Eh!
Hindi naman panalo. Ano?
Oh.
Oh.
Dito na lang ulit ako.
Diyan ka na sa blue. Talo ka na.
Bakit?
Talo ka nga. Talo
Dito
ka nga.
ako sa red.
Ikaw nga sa blue, talo ka nga
No,
eh.
kasi alam
Talo ka nga eh. Ano?
kasi gusto mo lang makuha yung ball.
Panalo kasi ako kaya nandun kagad ako.
Yeah. Kaya,
Manalo ka muna.
wag! Ikaw kasi, you keep blocking it. Si Kuya, it's because of Kuya, he keeps blocking the
Talo
ball.
ka lang eh.
Kiss ate, kiss.
Okay.
Sleep na muna, sleep. Akin na yung tablet.
No.
Akin na.
No.
Talo.
This is my tablet.
Talo.
Kuya, pwede kunin yung tablet?
Yes.
Sleep.
Hindi to kukunan.
Ay, wag. Pinapadami ko yung talo niya.
Kiss mo na si ate. Kiss. Huwag maingay, okay?
Si Kuya eh.
Oh, huwag maingay nga
He
ni.
keeps stealing the ball
Huwag
from...
maingay nga ni.
Oy!
Ingay mo raw.
Labas. Ano?
Huwag maingay nga.
Dito nga. Dito nga. Yes. By the way, guys, that's it for the end of the day. So, bye, guys.